Hey everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Miso Nikomi Udon. Udon noodles, meat and vegetables simmered in a delicious miso broth. There was a school lunch tasting event and I had it at school. It was amazing. The nutritionist took the Dashi broth from scratch in the early morning. They're making caring and healthy food for kids every day. Anyway, this recipe is very easy to double, triple. You can make it in many servings. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Depending on how much you want to serve, I would say 2-4 servings. Cut pork into 1-inch long pieces. Cut Komatsuna Japanese spinach into 1-inch long pieces. Slice Konnyaku yam cake. Slice long onion. Regular onion is good too. Slice carrot. Slice Daikon radish. Heat cooking oil in a pot. Cook meat and vegetables. Then add dashi soup stock. You can use dashi powder. When the vegetables become soft, add miso by diluting it with the cooking liquid. Add udon noodles. If you're using frozen udon noodles, you want to defrost before adding. And simmer in the miso soup. And now it's done. Easy, right? Of course, you can use any other vegetables. You can arrange it in the way you like. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have more school lunch recipes on my channel. I have a playlist, so please check it out.
Mmm. しっかりと味がする。美味しすぎです。ぜひ食べてみてください。はい、チャンネル登録お願いします。チャンネル登録を押してね。バイバイ。